Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. My friend's son showed up today and he claims he wants to learn automotive skills. So let's go and see how he is doing. He's right behind me here, but the first task I gave him, I couldn't figure out what to do. I gave him to clean some sticker from the Sprinter's window. There was a sticker on it. So let's see how he did it. Was all over here and it's perfectly gone. Thank you very much.
No problem.
I think he passed the first task. Well, let's see how good he is in automotive knowledge.
Hey, my name's Izaak. I'm 16. I go to a high school in Arcata. I want to learn more about cars, just working on them. I am buying my first car in a few months. I know a brief introduction with cars with engines and types. I want to learn how to fix them, so when I'm stranded in the middle of nowhere, I can fix them. That's all.
Now he was here already for like 10 minutes and I was showing him exactly what I'm doing on this 98 Taco. So let's go and try if he still remembers the name of the different parts which are laying around. So Izaak, if you don't mind, we discussed the parts which I was going to install and I already removed. So where you will see the CV axle.
CV axle are these, is this CV axle, and we're
Aha.
replacing it because there is a hole in this
CV boot, yeah.
CV boot,
yeah.
right.
Not bad, you know. And there was a leaking grease, right?
Leaking grease, yeah, it's leaking
Yeah.
everywhere.
And that's the reason of replacement, that's what you said?
Yeah.
Perfect, 100% true. So, do you remember why I told you that that heavy brake caliper cannot be hanging by itself, but has to be on that steel hanger?
So it has to be on this steel hanger because there are little cracks already in the brake line. So what you don't want to do is crack it, so you don't have to replace that even more.
I will agree on that too. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, I think I also mentioned what is the next step on this job. Do you remember what is the name of this part and why it needs to be replaced?
Yeah, so this is called the ball joint, and why it really needs to be replaced is you see how much play there is in there? That's too much play. We don't want that.
Very good, I like that answer. So as you can see, Izaak is pretty knowledgeable. He definitely knows some basics. And where is a will, I think there is a way that he will really learn automotive and be master of his vehicle, which he still doesn't know what he will buy. He's 16, he's shopping for his first one. So cross fingers that he will keep coming back to my shop after his school, and hopefully you will see him in the next videos. So thank you for watching. Thank you, Izaak, for sharing with us
No problem.
your knowledge, and hopefully we will see you more in future.
Hope so.
Thank you guys and have a good one.
Bye-bye.